Hello everyone, we're going to be creating a simple counter program using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright, so in our HTML file, we're going to add a heading, and in the heading, we're going to put counter program. Then we're going to create a label, and the ID of the label will be number. And the label will say 0. Now let's add 3 buttons. Our first button will say decrease, and the ID will be decrease button. The next button will say reset, and the ID will be reset button. The last button will say increase, and the ID will be increase button. Let's add a line break, and let's link our CSS document. Okay, now let's work on some CSS. Alright, so let's center everything and change the font. So we'll do body text align to be center, and we'll change the font to Arial. Let's make our number more bigger, so I'll do hashtag number, and we'll change the font size to 100 pixels. Now let's style the buttons. So we'll get the button and change the padding. We'll do 15 pixels and 25 pixels. Let's change the font size to 20 pixels. Let's change the background color to a light blue, and aqua will be fine. We'll also do button hover. We'll make the cursor to be a pointer and make the background a lighter color. So I'll take this and paste it and then make it lighter. We'll also do button active and make the background to be even more lighter. So this is what the web page should look like. Now let's work on some JavaScript. So first we have to go into our HTML file and link it. So counter.js, and then go to our JavaScript file. So we'll make a variable for each of the buttons. So we'll do const decrease btn is equal to document dot get element by id decrease button. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this 3 times, and we'll change this to increase. Same for the get element by id, and we'll make this reset button. This will be the number. The ID is number. Okay, so let's make a variable called count, which will be equal to 0, and we'll make a event listener for the button. So do decrease button dot add event listener and click, comma, parentheses, and arrow, and then curly brackets. Then we'll do count minus minus and make the number change to count. So number dot text content equal count. So if we click the decrease button, the number should go down, and it works. So let's do the same for the other 2 buttons. So I'll copy and paste it and change this to increase and make count plus plus. And then if we click the increase button, it should go up, and the decrease button should make the number go down. Now let's do the reset button. So change this to reset button and make count equal to 0. Now the reset button should work, and the decrease and increase button should work. So that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!